June, another sunny honeymoon, another reason, another season for making whoopee. A lot of shoes, a lot of rides, the room is never behind the twice. It's really killing that he's so willing to make whoopee. It's on a little loneliness, down when the roses gleam. It's on a sense with loneliness, think that idea can breathe. He's washing dishes, a baby clothes, he's so ambitious, he even saw. But don't forget folks, that's what you get folks, to make whoopee. Making whoopee. She sits alone, staring eyes. He doesn't know her, he doesn't ride. He says he's busy, and she says, is he? He's making whoopee. He doesn't make much money, only 5,000 pounds. So that's what he's funny. Says you pay 6 to her. He says no judge, suppose I fail. The judge says my intuition, you better keep her. I think it's cheaper than making whoopee. But don't forget folks, that's what you get for making